Hi, my name is Tom Medlock, and this is Sprint 8. Last week I missed the sprint. I turned it in, but the file ended up, there's some sort of an issue with the file on YouTube. Rather than remake it, I decided that it'd be better just to move forward, make this sprint, kind of go over some of the things that I did in this sprint last week, and then also the things I did this week as we're coming to the close for the project. So let's get started. So for this week, I did the first things first. I changed my file system, so now it makes a lot more sense. It parses it in a much better way that's cleaner, and also when it reads from it, it'll actually be much more expandable. Whereas before I had to actually go in there and change the code. Now all I have to do is increase the amount of settings that are in the array, and it'll just continue to add more options as you expand them. So yeah, I have player death is on or off, sound settings on or off, mushroom field on or off, some spider settings, some scorpion settings, flea settings, and centipede settings, of course. So that's what I have for right now. I might add some more depending on how the development goes. So to start off with, I'm also very happy to announce I finally fixed that annoying bug, and it was a problem with the way I was passing the movement. So with that fixed, I feel much more confident to move forward. I implemented explosions. I implemented the sound manager with a mute button for you, of course, Andre. And then I also put the spider score displaying when the spider's destroyed. And then I've begun to work on the pause mechanism for when the player dies. So let's go ahead and boot up the game. So this is what I have so far. You can hear it. The sound is going by itself. I'm going to go ahead and mute that right now. I have the spider. I'm going to just try if I can shoot him. See, the score will display 900. It'll go away. The poison is implemented, so the poison should work when the centipede hits one of those mushrooms. He should go all the way down, and then when he hits the bottom, he should come back up. So right now I have that going, and of course I died. So yeah, this is what I have so far, and I'll go ahead and pause it, and you can see that right now that was obviously a bug. I gotta keep working on that. But yeah, so the characters do pause right now, and as you can see up top, my health right here, the little glyph, I'm down to 1 life. So it is registering the lives, and it is displaying them properly. So on the code side of things, for the sound manager, I have a sound interface, which is a base class, and then inside of the sound interface, I have a sound on, and I have a sound off, which is just the empty methods that are called. But I also have the sound on, which actually goes ahead and plays the different sounds. That connects to the sound manager, which I should have brought that up, which is right here. And it has a nice little on and off for muting. It'll turn on or off, and it just goes ahead and it calls those functions. So it creates a new interface, and then it goes ahead and it calls the method in the interface. So I also put the explosions in. I don't know if you saw that. I also have an explosion factory to go with it. So when I go ahead and shoot this centipede, he should explode. And let's not die this time. I forgot I have player death on. See, there he goes. I don't know if you can see it. It kind of explodes there. He hit the poison mushroom. So yeah, right now the explosions are on, and everything's working in that regard. So moving on, I also put the move state in. So I'm just going to go over here really quick and show you the move state that I have that you gave me. I added another move state for the pause, which is basically just a bogus move state that has nothing in it, and it gets nothing when it returns a new move state. So that's kind of how I'm doing it for that one with the spider. I'm doing a very similar method. Go ahead and give him some bogus movement when he gets paused. And yeah, so that's what I have for right now. To do is the attractor, obviously to get the actual high score going. So I just want to show you that the spider sound works too as well. There he is right there, that annoying little guy. So yeah, this is going, I'm gonna go ahead and pause everything. And basically, this is what I have for this week. And I feel very confident that I'm in a pretty good space to be able to finish off strong. And when it's due, everything should be finished. So yeah, thank you very much.